Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm showing you how to get discounts on Trendyol. So if you're looking for items that are cheaper and you're looking to spend less money but get more, stay tuned, I'll show you how. So mostly we have the approaching winter, and it seems like in this application we already have a lot of discounts. As you can see, I'm simply scrolling down. I don't really do anything else. I don't search for it. And we already have lots of discounts. So the discounts item are really easy to find. Just pay a bit of attention. For example, let's see this product right over here. We have the discount for it, which is 45%. That's a lot. Almost a half of the price is cut off. So you pretty much just scroll down the feed, or you can just go into the categories. And if you want to, for example, go for some, I don't know, kids and baby fashion, and as you can see, as we scroll down, we already have on top some discount items. So as you can see, we have even the minus 72% discount on this. What is this? Looks like a pajama or something. Vintage sweat and flat. Oh, it's trousers. It's just a set for kids. And other than this, you can just go home, scroll all the way up, and look for flash sale. As you can see, we have some crazy discounts in here. So you go to flash sale, go to this category, and in here you can browse. And as you can see, we have items that are up to 76% off. So pretty cheap. And if you wish to buy them, you can do it here. So just be mindful and just pay attention to the discounts. It's going to be this fiery symbol, as you can see, with a percentage number, minus 74% in this case. And if you wish to order, just add it to cart, checkout, and yeah, enjoy the discounted items. Guys, that's pretty much it. Pretty easy. Enjoy the video. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.